how to use live wallpaper on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use live wallpaper on iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings from here, you'll have to scroll down and tap on wallpaper. Now from here, simply tap on add new wallpaper. From this section, you can easily search for any live wallpaper like Apple built-in live wallpaper. Alternatively, you can choose a live photo from your photos library. For that, simply tap on photos at the top left. Now from here, you can add any live photo from your photos library. Now after you select this live photo, tap on add at the top right. Now from here, you can customize it later. After that, that live wallpaper will set to your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.